So I'm here in Philly, over here to check out Fred Tate. I see another sound system string up over here. Them say it name RudeBoi sound. RudeBoi sound, they say it name.
DJ RudeBoi from Atlantic City.
I just want to dance. DJ RudeBoi, turn it up.
This is Atlantic City's Mayor, Marty Small Sr., and it's a great day here in the city of Atlantic City. Can we say great day?
Jimmy
Listen,
Sequence from
we want
Florida.
the world to have manners, but in the music world, I go to my guy,
I see them
DJ
check it out.
RudeBoi. Forget the manners,
DJ
RudeBoi.
RudeBoi about sound.
That's my guy. One.
DJ RudeBoi.
DJ RudeBoi in the building. MSFT, you lift up last represent RCP, so.
RCP. So you're DJ RudeBoi.
RCP.
Don't know, say nice boy, the continent pass, I'm here represent for RCP, so.
Yeah, but play go. I want to play the talking. I was for all RCP, so even a DJ RudeBoi. Touchdown! Well, this is Fragment's representing the original RudeBoi sound.
MSA teacher, if the party present RCP, so. MSA teacher, MSA Atlantic City, MSA New Jersey.
smalls in the bottom, 18 and 12s. Sound good. You're working off of that small generator.
Yeah, me turn up the bass early on it.
Yeah, that generator small, yeah. Sound clean though. Yeah. You definitely can't drop the bass like that.
No. We try early on it, so nope.
Yeah. So what they have in here?
Huh?
What am I having here?
Some juve.
Oh,
The paint business.
oh, the paint.
So I beer soca later.
I know that they be having it in Florida. Big.
Them actually reject, but me not fit it.
Oh, okay. So whose song is it? Whose song? Your song?
Yeah.
Me, make a song.
I have a second rack in there.
Yeah.
Because we have 12 of them there.
You have 12 on the top, eh?
Yeah, 8 and 8 something.
That'll be as 16, 18, and double. Singles, they're double.
Canadian, double.
They're double. So you say you have 8 and a double? Oh. Yeah, I have 8 double and 4. 8 double 18 and 4 double 21.
See your phone on YouTube. See, on them, man.
6, so.
See, I drive like we carry it too. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Sound and carry like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you say DJ RudeBoi, you don't know, say so.
A lot of people won't get no supper tonight. A lot of people going to suffer tonight. Cause the battle is get. A lot of people won't get no supper tonight. A lot of people going to suffer tonight. Cause the battle is getting hotter in this Irish